Hey everybody, welcome back. I thought I'd just do a quick video here on a product that I just received in the mail. This is another product from Anarchy Outdoors, so it's the same company that made both the extended magazine release that I have installed in the CZ457 here, as well as the 3-round extension for the 457 magazines. It's a company that I'm kind of familiar with now, and I do like their products. So this is going to be a throw lever for the Diamondback Tactical first focal plane scope. And I just purchased one, even though I have two of these scopes. I just want to try it out first to see if I want to put one on my other rifle. So anyway, I got this from, just covering my address here, Go Big Tactical out in BC. And they offer this item as well as a few other small items with free shipping, no tracking if you're just going to buy some of these cheaper items from them. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and open it here with the Dragonfly. And there's only one thing in this package, so I already know what it is. And there it is. Again, Anarchy Outdoors is the company, and this is the Polymer throw lever. They make this for a vast variety of different scopes, but it is model specific, so of course make sure that the one you buy is going to fit on the scope you have. What's really nice about these Polymer throw levers is the fact that they are much cheaper than some of the aluminum or alloy versions. This one here I paid, I believe it was $40 Canadian, which is less than half of the price of a Vortex brand throw lever. Of course it is polymer, but in terms of durability it should be pretty good, and it's just a cheaper option. So for the price of one Vortex throw lever, I can equip both of my scopes with a polymer one. So let me just find the right Allen key size and I'll be right back. Alright, so it's just a one screw to secure it, and go ahead and install it really quick. I guess you can kind of play around with where you want the actual lever here to protrude from your magnification ring, but I'm going to turn this down all the way to the lowest setting at 6, and then put the lever kind of at a 7 o'clock position. And you can see here how much flex you have in the polymer throw levers. So that just goes on. Oh, that's actually a nice little, I didn't notice, but the band on the throw lever actually has Anarchy Outdoors molded into that. Hopefully you can see that. Nice little nice little detail there. So it also has a hump. I'm not sure if the hump is supposed to go like this or like that, but I'm just going to put it on one way for now, and if I feel like it needs to be changed afterwards, I'll do that later. So I guess I'll just kind of put it like that. I'll have to fine-tune the position afterwards to make sure it works optimally, but just to throw it on the scope for you guys now. And I can feel it kind of clamping down, so I'm not going to go too tight, but it seems to work. So that's all the way twisted to 6 times magnification, and it does have enough room to go to 24 times magnification without bottoming out or hitting the receiver. Still have some room here to cycle the bolt, but I guess I could move it up even a little bit more. If I'm scared I might hit the lever when I'm cycling the bolt, but that seems to be a pretty good position right now. The reason why I went ahead and purchased one of these is because at the match that I shot, I found myself, especially with the gloves I was wearing since it's winter, it's a good idea to start the stages off with a fairly low magnification so you can find the target first, and then if you need to zoom in. But I was having a hard time doing that quickly, so I think the throw lever is going to really help. Anyway, just a quick video here on the Anarchy Outdoors Polymer throw lever. Again, basically 50% of the price of some of the aluminum ones. So good product to look into if you're looking for one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.